Can't see.
Okay. Now.
Ella, Aunt Lynette can't see. And she's
Turn her around.
She's going to try to put something on the turkey. Look how funny it is.
No talking because we don't want to.
Wait, you're supposed to turn her right in front of it.
Direction. Okay. Okay, Aunt Lynette's number 1. Oops.
Can I feel?
Oh, we missed-
Wait, get the hat.
Hold on, I missed the
I'm
bottom.
dizzy. I'm
Hold on.
gonna pass out.
Here, you missed the bottom of it. There we go. All right.
Well, come see here. Ah, you're throwing me around the bar.
She's gonna bite.
Okay,
Teacup.
get ready to go. See how close you can get the hat onto the turkey's head.
It's okay.
I'll fix it. Here, watch Aunt. Yeah, we got it. Okay. It's okay. Look, who's gonna get the hat on the turkey?
Look a picture.
Hold on. Don't give her any hints.
Remember, it was. Ooh, is that it?
Asia.